Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Asaqo Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Asaqo Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a wall power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. This location is temporary, it's just to make the connection easy at first. Wait for the power LED light on the extender to turn solid on. If it doesn't turn on, press the power button once to switch it on. Once the power light is steady, the device is ready to pair. Go to your Wi-Fi router and look for the WPS button. It's usually labeled WPS or has an icon with 2 curved arrows or a padlock with signals. The button might be on the front or back of the router depending on the brand. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. After you release it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking. This means your router is now searching for another Wi-Fi device, like the Asaqo extender, to connect to. You'll now have 2 minutes to press the WPS button on your extender. Press the WPS button on your extender within 2 minutes after pressing WPS on your router. Go to your Asaqo Wi-Fi extender. Find the WPS button, usually on the front or side of the device. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED on the extender starts blinking. This blinking light means it is trying to connect to the router automatically. Now, wait about 30 to 60 seconds while the two devices connect. Once the WPS connection is successful, the WPS light on your extender will stop blinking and stay solid on. The signal LED, Wi-Fi indicator, on the extender will also turn solid green or blue. This shows a strong link to your router. If the light doesn't stay solid after 2 minutes, repeat the process again. Once connected successfully, you can unplug the extender from the current socket. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a new network name like your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name _plus. Select this extended network and enter the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. That's it. Your Asaqo Wi-Fi extender is now set up using WPS. You can now enjoy stronger and faster Wi-Fi throughout your home or office. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.